Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these little butterflies. Okay, so it only takes 2 rows to make these. All you need is some yarn in any colour and fibre content, the appropriate size hook for your yarn, which it should say on the label, a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. To start, make a slip knot, chain 6, slip stitch to the first chain that you made so it makes a loop, chain 1. Okay, so now we're going to work in the center loop that we just made. Okay, so just in there. Okay, so make 3 half double crochets in the center, and we're also going to hide this tail at the same time. Chain 3. Okay, so we're going to do that 3 more times. 3 half double crochets and chain 3. Chain 3. 3 half double crochets. Chain 3. And then one more time. 3 half double crochets. Okay, and chain 3. So you should end with a chain 3 and slip stitch to the first half double crochet that you made. So 1, 2, 3, that's the first one you made. Okay, so it kind of looks like a square. For the next row, chain 1 and turn, and then working in this first loop you want to make 1 half double crochet, two double crochets, two treble crochets, okay, so you have a half double crochet, two double crochets, two treble crochets. Next, chain 3 and slip stitch back to the top of that treble crochet that you just did. One treble crochet, still working in the first loop, two double crochets, and one half double crochet. Okay, so that's one of your wings. Next, you just want to slip stitch into the center here. In this next loop, we're going to make 2 half double crochets, three double crochets, and 2 half double crochets. Okay, slip stitch into the center. In the next loop, we're going to do this one again. So 2 half double crochets in this loop. Three double crochets. And 2 half double crochets. Slip stitch to the center. And then the last wing is going to be the same as the first one. So 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 2 treble crochets, chain 3, and slip stitch back to the top of the treble crochet, one treble crochet, two double crochets, and 1 half double crochet. Okay, slip stitch to the center, cut your yarn and pull that through. Next, you just want to thread these 2 tails to the center and make a knot to the top. And then just knot the 2 together. And cut. Okay, so you have your little antenna. So it just takes 2 rows to make these butterflies. One for the center ring and then one for the wings. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.